welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and join the squad. So today we are doing this fun video on Instagram hacks. So I've been looking at a lot of Instagram videos that pop up in the explore page and they are so good, like they're so eye-catching and everything is like magic. So I really wanted to try a lot of them, but I couldn't really get all the stuff which I wanted for a lot of them to try out. So I'm gonna try a few of the Instagram hacks. So let's get into the video of real life versus Instagram life hacks and everything, almost all the kind of hacks. So let's begin. The first hack, all you need is a chocolate bar and a knife. So for this first hack, let's just see the video and kind of try to do it. Watch the video where they're gonna cut the chocolate in diagonal shape and they got this extra chocolate bar, box or the brick. So let's try this.
So I got the Temptations chocolate bar. Let's unwrap this and cut as shown in the video. I'm gonna make a diagonal cut and cut the front one into 2 pieces. And take off and again chop it in between and take off the first one, keep it somewhere else which is going to be the extra one, move the slide and place the diagonal one. So it's kind of does what it is, but then definitely a fun thing to try. Ain't no magic. And I'm left with an extra brick now.
I'm gonna rate this hack 3 out of 5. It's kind of a fun thing to do, but creating a chocolate new bar, the whole one with extras, it's never gonna happen. So for the second hack, all you need is a pencil with a rubber at the back, and basically it's kind of a chain hook thing that you keep on erasing while you're writing with a pencil, and then you're almost done and you don't have to work on. And yeah, so this kind of a hack which actually works. So let's put this on a test.
I have this pencil which doesn't have an eraser. I mean, it's almost over. So I'm gonna take the sharpener and kind of sharpen it a little bit. And voila, we have an eraser. It actually works. So good.
That was a good one. So I would rate this a 5 out of 5. So for the next one, she is actually taking a bottle and cutting the bottle and then putting kind of a hole into it and then using the hairdryer to curl the hair. So let's try that.
So I have a bottle here which I'm gonna cut using a cutter as shown in the video. I'm gonna cut the top and make a hole in the between as well.
So I'm gonna take this section, put it inside like so. I have this hairdryer, I'm gonna put it like that. I would give this hack a 4 out of 5 because it actually works. Like, see that? Let's just do the other hack also over here. So the other hack is where she does do the contouring of the nose and she does the eyebrows also with a tweezer. So I have a tweezer here. I am going to take this eyebrow pencil over here. I'm gonna do like a thick coat down and then take it there and take it down. Does it work? It actually does. And I think I should be filling it. Let me just fill over the leftovers like in between and see. I think it's kind of a good one. So let's also try the nose contouring. I'm actually taking the same eyebrow pencil. Let's try. Okay, it goes like that. I think it actually works. This side it actually gives that precise line, but this side I feel like it came a little bit above, so probably I should be putting it in the middle, or else I need kind of a bigger, open, wide, what is this thing? I think I'll be needing a tweezer which is wider to just do it like that, maybe, or else it actually does a great job. So I would give this and this a 4.5 out of 5, or actually kind of 5, because it actually works. So 5. So for the last one, I have this pair of denims which are kind of loose, and I just saw this hack where they're gonna stitch a little bit and then drag it to create kind of a gather, and you can't really see it because it's almost inside. So let's try that one.
For this hack, I have here my denims which are kind of loose. I need a thread and a needle. I'm gonna put it first. Then I am going to stitch it as shown in the video. It's kind of zigzag kind of, and pull it over. Let's come back after that. Okay, so now I did that. It kind of looks weird, and the thread is actually strong, the stronger one I've chosen, but it actually breaks. You'll just see in a minute. As we wear the pants, we actually stretch them and wear, and I'm afraid this hack is not going to work because the thread is going to break as we stretch, so like that. So I'm going to give this hack a 2 because it doesn't really work. I'm sorry.
So that is it for the video, you guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like the background because I quite changed it. You let me know in the comment section below how you like it, and also like, share, and subscribe to my channel for new and all the fun content. I have planned a lot of videos for this month and next month. Almost like 21 video ideas which are like amazing. So I'm gonna do all of them. I'm gonna go out and explore from my comfort zone and do a lot of good things. So yeah, I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely